Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about linear graphs. In our last video, we saw line graphs and we plotted the values for different categories and joined them using line segments. So the line graphs most of the times were broken or they were bits of line segments. Whereas a linear graph has an unbroken line. So it doesn't have bits of line segment, but it has unbroken line. And all the points which lie on that line are the data points of that graph. In order to draw a linear graph, we should be able to locate the points on the graph paper. And for that, we use a system called Cartesian system. Cartesian system makes use of two dimensions to locate a point. And these are called coordinates. So let's assume this is our whiteboard, or for that matter any plane surface. So it can be a paper also. And on this whiteboard I want to locate this point. What is the best way to locate this point? If I give you the distance from the bottom of the board or top of the board, one of them. So top or bottom of the board, the distance, and distance from left or right of the board, one of them. So I need either top or bottom of the board and left or right of the board. If I give you these two distances, we will be able to locate this point uniquely. So we don't need anything else. With these two distances, we will be able to perfectly locate this point. The same way we can use in a graph paper. Let's see that. So this is a graph paper and this horizontal axis is called x-axis. And this vertical axis is called y-axis. And now if I want to locate this point, the point of intersection of y and x-axis is called or is denoted with 0, 0. These are the coordinates of this point. We talked about every point has two dimensions. So this point is 0, 0. That means it is 0 centimeter from the x-axis and 0 centimeter from the y-axis. So it is on the x-axis as well as on the y-axis. Now each of them, now let's say we call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on here, and here also same way we will, and so on. So now these points are at 1 centimeter from this 1, 2, 3, 4 and same way 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Now if I want to know where is this point, so if you see from the y-axis how far it is 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter away from y-axis. And this point is how far from x-axis? From x-axis it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeter away from x-axis. Now if you see here, this is 7. If you see here, it is 7 in the same line, and here 4 in the same line. So the distance from y-axis is its x coordinate. So distance from y-axis is the x coordinate. we always write x coordinate first, and then we write the y coordinate, which is distance from x axis. So 7. And that way this point is represented as 4, 7. These are the coordinates of this point. So same way, if we have a point here, what are its coordinates? First, look at the distance from y-axis. From here, you travel on x-axis. How far you have to travel on x-axis? You have to travel to 10 from x-axis. So it would be 10. And how much you have to travel on y-axis to reach there? Y means vertical. How much distance, vertical distance you need to travel? You need to travel 9. So 9. So 10 and 9 are the coordinates of this point. And that way each point on this plane surface can be represented by x and y coordinate. X coordinate is the distance away from y-axis. How much horizontal distance I need to travel. And y-axis or y coordinate is how much vertical distance I need to travel. Let's take one small example and see how to draw a linear graph. Now, so this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. We will locate points 1, 4 and 2, 2 on this graph. 1, 4. 1 is how much horizontal you need to travel. 1. So we need to travel to this point. And 4, how much vertical? 1, 2, 3, 4. And so that's where is our point 1. Okay, let's call this A point. And this as B. This is our A point. And where is our B point? It is 2, 2. So 2 from on the horizontal and 2 on vertical. So here is our point B. And now when we join these 2 points, we get the linear graph. Okay. We want to know where will it intersect the x-axis and y-axis. So let's do that. So let's draw a line through these. Okay, and let me extend this side also. Okay. And now if we see this line intersects x, y axis at this point and x axis at this point. What are the coordinates of these 2 points? Let's try to find these coordinates. For this point, how much horizontal we are moving? 1, 2, 3. So x coordinate is 3. How much vertical we are moving? We are not moving. We are on this line itself. We are not moving any distance up. So vertical is 0, and that's why the coordinate of this point are 3, 0, x and y. Now here in y-axis, where it is cutting, if you see how much horizontal I am traveling, nothing, because I am on this line. So I am not traveling any distance horizontal. So my x coordinate is 0. How much vertical I am traveling? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Traveling 6. So this is our coordinate 0, 6. If you see a point which is on y-axis, its x coordinate is 0. And point which is on x-axis, the y coordinate is 0. We will do a few practice sums in the next video to understand linear graphs more in detail. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.